Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please ensure to like, share, and subscribe. And also click the bell notification in the top right-hand corner to be made aware anytime I upload tutorials or videos to YouTube. All right, let's craft together. Hey y'all. Hey, I found this awesome Valentine's design on Creative Fabrica. So let me tell you, if you are a crafter or an artist and you're always looking for images or fonts, to work with, and it's not your thing to create fonts, or maybe you're not good at creating images, Creative Fabrica got you. Okay. I call it the one-stop shop. Okay, because that's what it is. That's the one place I can go and I'm guaranteed to find what I'm looking for as a crafter or artist, so on and so forth. Okay. And for this month, the month of February, they are giving away a Cricut Maker 3 every day. Not just one day out of the month, but every day a Cricut Maker 3. Okay. So, hey, my affiliate link is in the description. All you have to do is click on it, sign up for a monthly or yearly membership. I highly recommend the yearly because you can pay for it one time and be done with it. Okay. And you're going to get a really good discount using that affiliate code. All right. So don't ask me where I got this design from that I'm going to be using because I got it from Creative Fabrica. Okay. Now, if you jump in my comments and you say, where did you get that design from? Then I know you didn't watch the video and I'm not going to answer your question. Okay. That's how we do that. All right. That's how we going to do that. All right, y'all. So we're going to be designing on this sweatshirt. And so without further ado, let's get it cracking. All right, guys, here we are inside of Creative Fabrica, and you can see the web address here is creativefabrica.com. And right now, they have a really great deal going on where you can sign up for the yearly membership. All right. So if you do not have access to Creative Fabrica, guys, this is where you can come and get those fonts that you need. You can also use a form of AI here through CF Spark, and then look at the number of graphics you have, and they also send out freebies. All right. So you can get a yearly or monthly membership. I highly recommend the yearly because you can pay that one-time fee and be done with it and be set until 2025. Okay. All right. So the image that we're going to be using today is this one here that says, God says I am. All right. And because I have a membership with Creative Fabrica, all I have to do is click on download and I have access to this design. It also comes with your commercial license, so I don't have to worry about asking anybody, can I sell, the images that I'm using to put on my products? The answer is yes. All right. All right. When in doubt, always just read the information here in the commercial license to see what you can and cannot do. Okay, so I highly recommend that. Now, without further ado, I've already downloaded this image, so I'm just going to show you that when you click on downloads, it will then become a part of your download. So you don't have to go back to that image to download it again. You just come to your My Downloads and you click on those files. Right now, Creative Fabrica is giving away that Cricut Maker 3 every day for the month of February. You don't want to miss out on that opportunity, guys. All right. All right. So, what I'm going to do, because I have already downloaded it, I'm going to go into Canva and I'm going to do a custom size of 11 by 17. So, you would just click on inches, type in 11 by 17, create new design, and I am going to upload the image that I have downloaded. This one is distressed, so it has like some little white sparks in it. And this one is just regular. So I'm going to go with the regular smegular, non-distressed. Okay. So this is it. And I'm going to size this. I'm gonna go about 10 and a half. 10 and a half. All right. I think that's good. Let's see if I can get it over one more. There we go. All right. So I got this sized for me, and then I'm gonna flip it, which is the equivalency of um mirroring, okay? Because we're going to be sending this to print directly from Canva, okay? So you want to make sure you mirror your image when you're doing what I'm going to be doing, which is sublimation, all right? So at this point, we can change the title here to say God says I am, and file, save. All right, so now we have that done. We're going to go and share. We're going to come down to download. We're going to change this to PDF print, and we're going to change this to CMYK, and we're going to download. Now that we have that downloading, we're going to let that finish, and we are going to now, I could have brought this over a little bit because it is really on that edge. Y'all see that? And I don't want that to interfere with my design. So I'm going to shift that baby over just a little bit. I want to make sure it's not on that edge. That looks better. All right, let's go back and share and download PDF print, CMYK, download, and we're going to go with this option right here. All right. All right, that's better. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go to our little print icon here, and I'm going to go to more settings and click on print using system dialog, and I'm using my Epson Workforce 7720. I'm going to go to more settings. We're going to leave it in the portrait position. We're using the main tray, plain paper, color. I'm going to click on the advanced button here and change this to tabloid, which is the size of paper, 11 by 17 that I'm going to be using. And I have it on borderless, and okay. We're going to click OK, and I'm going to click on print, and now my printer is going to be requesting the paper. So I'm going to come up on the screen now. All right, guys, we have our design printed out now, and I use A-Sub paper, 11 by 17, and I'm using the Epson Workforce 7720, and we are ready to go to the heat press. You do want to make sure, guys, that when you do the PDF print, you do want to make sure that you do set it at 11 by 17. Okay, tabloid is what you're looking for in your printer settings. So we're ready to go to the press, and my press is ready for us. All right, let's go. All right, guys, here we are at the heat press. I'm going to go ahead and put my sweatshirt down. And you want to make sure you do lint roll. Anytime you're doing sublimation, you want to make sure that you lint roll, not that direction. You want to make sure you lint roll your garment first, because if you don't, whatever you don't get off of the shirt is going to show up in the finished press. All right, and you're just basically lint rolling to get off any debris that may be on there. And we're going to do a quick pre-press for about 5 seconds. All right. And let me make sure I got enough room here. I might have to move it up just a little bit. Let me get my other scissors. Give me 1 second, guys. Hold on. All right. So I'm just going to cut this down. Like I got something on my sweatshirt. Because we want to make sure we can get our full design in there. So we're going to come down about 3 fingers. So our design is going to be about there. All right, I think we're good. All right, that looks nice and centered. I'm going to get some heat tape. And you always want to make sure you heat tape, guys, so that you don't risk your image moving when you put the press down, because you do have that little bit of air that will escape. Trying to make sure I got it fully on there. And I'm going to put down Teflon sheet to protect my press. And we're going to press this for 60 seconds. And we will be done. So, guys, they have so many great designs out in Creative Fabrica for Valentine's Day. And really, anytime, any holidays, always check Creative Fabrica, because they're big on, you know, having those designs available for crafters and artists. So you're going to find a slew of good stuff out there. All right, we got about 25 seconds. Now, I don't recommend you wash your garment for at least 48 hours. So you want to give it about 48 hours before you wash it. If you're selling this t-shirt or sweatshirt to someone, you want to give them enough turnaround time to where you don't send it to them within that time frame. Because when things go bad, you know, people blame the person that created it, okay? So you always want to make sure, you know, don't tempt them by sending it to them, and then they wear it that day and then put it in the wash. Look at that, y'all. Ain't that beautiful? Just that quick. We are done. And I don't know where I got this little something right here in my shirt, but I don't like it. All right, but this is our design. I'm gonna turn my press off so you guys can see. We're gonna flip it around here. So this is the design. Beautiful. All right, so that's it, guys. It's just that simple to use a design from Creative Fabrica. And they have lots of nice Valentine designs out there. So check them out. Click the link in the description of this video tutorial and sign up today. Like I said, you can get a monthly or yearly subscription. I highly recommend that you go with the yearly subscription, so you can pay that one time and be done with it. All right, and you'll be secured for 2024. All right, all the way up to 2025 right now. All right. So, hey guys, if you're currently in my Facebook group, Ken Dorsey's Cricut and Creative Crafters, I want to thank you guys so much for following me via Facebook. If you would like to join my Facebook group, it is linked in the description of this video tutorial. Just click on the link for Ken Dorsey's Cricut and Creative Crafters. Agree to the Facebook group rules, and we will get you in, okay? And then if you're currently subscribed to my YouTube channel, I want to thank you guys so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And
if you are seeing me for the first time and you like my method of teaching, then please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now, I like my sweatshirts to fit oversized, so I got this bigger than I normally would, but that's the way I like to wear my sweatshirts. All right? Because you're trying to keep warm. But there we have it. Nice Valentine design right from Creative Fabrica. And we can wash this as much as we need to. We don't have to worry about it fading and all that good stuff, or not being able to put it in the dryer. You're good to go with sublimation. All right. All right, guys, that's my story. I'm sticking to it. You guys know my motto is each one reach one so that each one can teach one. And you guys have an amazing day. Bye.